What's going on, race fans? Today is Funday Sunday. We're out at a, sorry about that, car driving by. We're out at one of the Demon City Minibike brothers' personal tracks he's got it built at his house. Out in his back, you can hear the guys probably out there ripping it up right now. But this is, we're at the, blah, blah, blah. Now we're gonna spit it out here in a minute. Golly. We're at the 6-shooter mini bike track. Check out his sign. This is where we're at today. So anyway, like I said, it's one of the Demon City mini bikes, one of the good fellas I race with. This is his personal backyard little track. And we just come out here, have a good time. He invited us out, usually on, you know, Sunday here and there between in the month. He invites everybody out, fires up the barbecue pit. We just sit around and talk mini bike stuff and make a few hot laps on his track in the backyard. So I'm gonna give you all a little footage of that today. Little Sunday fun day on the mini bike. Good time stuff. So we'll have a little barbecue later. It's cold refreshments because it's hotter than all get out. Let me get in the shade for a second because I'm like wearing a black shirt, cooking to death. Anyway, so that's what's going to be on the agenda today. Show you all a little mini bike rip around. Maybe introduce you to some people, show you some bikes, and we're just gonna lay back on a Sunday and have a good time. Check it out. Fellas, y'all can double get it running? Yeah. Football doesn't matter. That's pretty much it. Yeah. Come on. I'm trying to hold on. I'm swinging here. You better strap that thing on, boy. You better strap your helmet on, boy. All right. Yeah, we rolling. We're gonna get out here, rip a few laps, have a good time. Get the glove on, get the helmet on. Yeah, we're gonna do a few laps, then they're gonna line us up, give us a flag start. We're gonna go from there. So enjoy this, kids. Ha ha! All right, so we did a few little minor hot laps. Man, it is smoking hot out here. Anyway, buddy Dave took a bad crash, so hopefully I got it on the tripod stand because I didn't have the GoPro on my helmet. So hopefully the one on the stand caught his crash, broke his brake lever. So we're trying to find him another brake lever, which I don't know if that's gonna happen. And then we got another buddy that trying to get his bike put back together, see if old Craig can get into the race today. But show you a few bikes that are hanging around out here. Just chilling, everybody's inside having a good old time. They got the barbecue pit rolling. Dave, you gonna be able to get that bike fixed? Maybe, maybe not? I'm broke. He's broke. Dave said he's broke. He's got a broke brake lever. I tell him you don't really need brakes anyway. Just ride it without brakes, just drag your feet. That's right. No, kids, don't ride your mini bike without brakes because that will put you first place spot in the emergency room more than likely. So make sure to have your brakes. Old Logan's bike. He was ripping today. Bike sounds really good. Yeah. Let's look at Dave's bike. Where's your brake lever? Look, no brake lever. Broke. That's a bad crash you took there. I didn't see it, but hopefully the camera got it.
I'm just going to use my feet like Flintstone.
Yeah, just Flintstone it. You'll be fine. What's your oil look like in there?
Oh, that's not.
He's got the dipstick with the magnet on the end, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Hey, got a bunch of shiny stuff? That is a clumpy.
So he was rolling good in the race, and all of a sudden, kabam. So now, he's ripping it apart and see what the destruction is yet, because the motor is definitely locked up. So we're going to rip the side cover off. He's going to rip the side cover off and see what's going on with it on the inside, folks.
Just changed the oil in it and everything, getting ready for San Antonio this weekend.
If that rod's in half, I don't know. I'll be wild. I think ARC would be wild.
So we're either going to have a valve train problem or a broke rod. Valve train problem?
Yep, they're both way back here. There went one.
Turn your rod down.
Where's the other push rod?
Hit the valve.
Yeah, so drop the valve in it.
Go down.
How you doing, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
Great. It's grub time, it looks like.
It looks like it. It's going to be great.
And Mr. Kirk fired up the pit, so we got good grub to eat. So now we've had our fun mini bike racing today, so now we're gonna kick back, have refreshments and grub.
And grub. Good grub. We got beans and sausage and boudin and all kinds of good things.
I broke some pico de gallo sausage. You need to try that. It's really good stuff.
Okay. I made some homemade hot sauce myself, so
Ooh.
it's going to be good.
Anybody knows me, that's all I eat is chips and salsa for dinner, so.
Chips and salsa for dinner is
Yeah,
good,
that's my dinner.
especially when it's homemade.
Exactly, so we're fit to tear that up.
We'll do it.
do
It'll
it.
be good.
Yes,
Get the picture of that grub over there.
No, wait. I want to try both of them.
Yeah, this is the real shirt everybody needs to look at right here. That's it. That's the shirt. All right, folks. This is a short video for today's Sunday fun day out of Mr. Kirk's place at the 6-shooter mini bike track. Special thanks to him. Thanks, Mr. Kirk, for having us out. Guys had an awesome time. It was hot, but hey, we had a great time. Food was great. The people were great. Had a good old time. Had some bikes break. Mr. Kirk's bike apparently dropped the valve, it looked like. Didn't take the top end off, but the side cover off. And nothing tore up on his billet rod. But you can definitely see where the valve decided to make a new exit through the top of the head. So, but anyway, I'm gonna look around and see if I can't find an extra Hemi head for him, get him fixed up. But hey, brother, we all had a great time at your place. Thanks for having us. So we'll be waiting till you post that next time. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. There's a little notification bell. You hit that bell and you select all, so you'll get notified every time I post a video, and you'll give it a thumbs up also if you liked it. If you haven't subscribed, make sure and hit the subscribe button as well. Be greatly appreciated. And I want to thank all my subscribers so far that like the videos and left me comments and concern, questions, whatever you might have. Leave me a line down below if you got a question about something, or hey, what is somebody doing, or what kind of part do you have on a bike, or where can I get a part? Hey, leave me a comment, because I'll try to make sure and respond to every one of them that I possibly can, which I think I've been doing a good job. So anyway, we're going to end this video here. Thank y'all very much for watching. Hope y'all had a great Sunday like I did, and we will see y'all next time. Take care.